IST Standard 3D, we had to use Wordle, which is a toy for generating word clouds, which you see here, in terms of what was meaningful learning and what it meant to us. So meaningful learning means providing situations, life experiences, cognitive teachers, real life problems, real life expectations. I use my science teacher as an example. She made learning always meaningful because she related it to worldly problems, life expectations on a daily basis. She also learned all of our names within the first week of class, and that really engaged us and kept us on track and on target to being successful in her class, because her motto was, I cannot have your head if I don't have your heart. And so she always provided hands-on experiences to connect science with the real world. And I try to do that as well with my students, as well as technology, because my students use technology and talk more through technology than they do with me face to face. I'm always sending messages in Remind through Google Classroom so that we can always have a rapport and that they can talk to me and ask questions whenever they need to, inside as well as outside of class. So you can also tweak your cloud. You can change the color of it to whatever you would like. You can always have it accessible. You can make as many as you like. It's a really, really good tool, and you can use this for any subject. This is really good for English in terms of the usual writing a paper, make a word cloud using a phrase from a book. History as well. It could be your Wordle timeline. So this was a great tool to enhance and facilitate student learning as well.